2, we want to describe the composition of transformations shown below in the two images. So let's start with part A. My image in part A is this line here labeled AB. So the first transformation went to A prime, B prime. Notice that the pre-image was shifted over to the right. So our first transformation is a translation, and it went right, and we need to count how many units it went right. So I'm going to start at my A and count how many boxes over A was shifted to get A prime. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes over. So this was shifted right 7 units. Okay, my final transformation is down here in the third quadrant. Notice that this was rotated 180 degrees to get to the final image. So this is a rotation of 180 degrees. The reason I know it was 180 is because it went down one quadrant and then it went over a second quadrant. Notice how I drew my arrows. So the first one, this would be a rotation of 90 degrees, but it kept going to get us a rotation of 180 degrees. Okay, part B, now I'm doing this again. I'm going to start with my image, my pre-image that I'm going to highlight in black. Now I have my triangle ABC. The first transformation was when triangle ABC went to A prime, B prime, C prime. To get up here to this image, it was reflected over the x-axis. So our first transformation is a reflection over the x-axis. Okay. My second transformation, I want to look where the image A prime, B prime, C prime was mapped onto A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. To get over here, it was reflected, but now it's reflected over this line right here. So if I sketch that line in, I can see that my image, if I was to fold it over that line, would flip onto the other side. So the equation for that line is x equals 6. So now we're reflecting over a line other than the x or y axis. Okay, so it's a vertical line, and it's a reflection over x equals 6. That will be my final answer to part A and part B.